If you want healthier meals for your family, watch this video to the end. This protein powder is rich and packed with nutrients. It is healthy for babies and even the whole family. And you can make it at home with just 2 ingredients. Let me show you how I did it. Hi Faze, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm the mom chef, and today I'll be showing you how I made the simplest soybean powder for my family with just 2 ingredients. We'll start by washing our soya bean. I did this off camera. You want to wash that soya bean properly to get off every dirt. And then you transfer your washed soya bean to your pot. You add just enough water to cover these beans, and we're going to be cooking this for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This cooking helps to soften it so that we can peel off the skin easily, and it also helps to release the nutrients in this soya bean and also kill off any pesticides or germs, because this bean is preserved with pesticides and we don't want to be eating this. Once it's done cooking, I do this finger pressing test to be sure it's not overcooked, so it's not too soft and also not too hard. And you can also see that the skin goes off easily. To avoid being burnt by hot soya bean, I first of all change the hot water and add some cold water. And then I go ahead to start peeling the beans. To peel the beans, you just press it together with your hands, like you try squeezing it, and the skin will come off easily. Once you've cooked this step is actually easy. Next, we'll be transferring the peeled soya bean to the oven. I'm roasting this in my oven, so I transferred it to my oven tray. You can also roast in your air fryer or on a pan on direct heat, but I'm choosing this method because of the quantity I'm doing. To roast this evenly, I roast on low heat, so it's advised you do the same. You roast on low heat and you roast it for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. And this is the final outcome. This is what we have after roasting. It looks just like your roasted peanuts or granules, like I call it. The second ingredient we're using for today is roasted peanuts. We'll roast this and peel off the skin. I already did this before now, but I'm going to show you a video of this later. The final part is blending. I'm not blending this at home because I don't have a strong blender. I took it out and used the commercial blender. But if your blender is strong enough, you can blend this until it is smooth like powder. You can see this is what you get after blending. You can go ahead and sieve this, but trust me, it is perfect like this. And this is it, guys, our soya bean powder. This is packed with protein and it's healthy for both babies and the whole family. You can store this in an airtight container and it can stay for up to 6 months without spoiling. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more healthy homemade recipes. Bye.